Welcome back to my vlog, everyone. This is a part 1 for our vacation in Boracay, so come with me. So we are going now. Andito na tayo sa airport. Ayan na ang mother.
Ay, nag-vlog na si
Ay.
Tita. Morning
Hello.
po.
Congratulations.
Thank you po.
Congrats, anak. So ayan, congrats kay Margo kasi kakagraduate na lang sa college yesterday. So ito, pila na tayo, boarding na tayo. Ayan si daddy, oh. Boarding na si mother. Ito na, sakay na tayo sa airplane ng Cebu Pacific. Bye-bye, Cebu Pacific. Okay, good morning again. Testing lang ng camera.
And flight time for today is 40 minutes. We'll be climbing to 25,000 feet. Expecting good weather, Katiklan weather to be reported before we start our descent. In the meantime, please sit back, relax, enjoy the rest of the flight. Welcome aboard. Good morning.
So for the next few minutes, ito lang ang makikita at maririnig nyo guys. Hindi na ako maglalagay ng music. Iwas tayo sa copyright. So ayan, first time actually namin ng whole family to go to Boracay. I invited my mom, my dad, syempre ang aking hubby, si Kuya, and si Margo. We are going to Boracay for 2 reasons, okay? One, of course, we are attending the dance sport competition. This is an international competition that will be held at the Boracay Convention or Newport Convention Center. At si Kuya ay sasali doon. At si Margo, syempre. So, ayun. And the second is, of course, extend na namin ang vacation. That's why we are there for 6 days, okay? 1 day lang po yung competition. Pero we are extending for 6 days para naman makapag-enjoy. So, ayan na, lumipad na tayo. At we are now bound to Boracay. At lalabas na tayo ng Manila. So, in a few minutes, nandun na po tayo. Yehey! Actually guys, I was so worried kasi 'di ba June ulan. And I was worried na baka pagdating or before the flight may bagyo ganyan, hindi magandang weather, pero thanks God, tingnan niyo naman ang ganda ng weather, oh. You can see yung mga binta na yata yung mga yan dyan sa baba or mga boat, no? Ang ganda ng weather, pero hindi natin alam pagdating natin dun sa Boracay ano ang sitwasyon. But thanks still, we are still thankful kasi we are flying safely. Thanks God. dito sa clouds na to? Sinong nakakaalam? Comment down below. Okay? Kasi nakalimutan ko na yung science terminologies natin. Haha. Super excited ang mga kasama ko guys, especially my mom. Kasi vlogger din tong si mother eh. Marami na siyang nakuha video, pictures na naman. Abangan nyo yan sa kanyang vlog sa Facebook lang pala. Okay, we are still flying beneath the clouds. At malapit na tayong bumaba guys. Ayun na po, makikita na natin yung daungan natin. Ayan na. So see you later.
Good morning everyone, Cebu Pacific Air welcomes you to Godofredo P. Ramos Airport in Cateclan, Boracay. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Voice communication with the use of mobile phones is prohibited while the cabin doors are closed. Please check your surroundings to ensure that you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. And be cautious when opening the overhead bins as heavy items may have moved during the flight. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team headed by your flight deck crew, Captain Joseph Patrick Bertolfo together with First Officer Chloe, Soria and First Officer Jose Maria Paulo Nagani, and with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a support of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific Air. Once again, we ask that you keep your area clean and tidy, kindly clear your seat pockets of any remaining litter, and please bring this with you as you leave your seats. You may dispose this in the bins provided near the exit. We seek your cooperation in ensuring that no litter is left behind the aircraft. And also for our guests with infant, the infant lava shall be collected after disembarkation. For safety reasons, leave the infant lavas inside the seat pocket in front of you, and be reminded that unauthorized removal of the life vest from the aircraft is a serious offense. Ordinance. It is unlawful for any person to litter in the public places. Let us keep Boracay a litter-free zone. Thank you.
So, ayan guys, we are finally here. Baba na tayo. Excited na ang mga tao. So, from the plane, tasakay tayo ng shuttle papunta sa airport mismo. Ayan si mother, oh, excited. Aha. Dito natin intayin yung ating mga luggages. Inabot pa talaga tayo ng ulan.
Speaking ngayon.
So, So guys, nag-book ako ng Island Tours and Services. Sila yung magsundo at maghahatid sa atin sa hotel. So from airport to hotel, bayad na po yun. Sila na lang na bahala lahat sa pagpila and all. Wala na tayong kuskus balungos. So wala na tayong ka-pressure. Nag-antay na lang tayo kasi sila na ang pumila. Nag-provide ng transpo. Ayan, picture na lang tayo with hubby, Randy. Okay, so papunta na tayo ngayon dun sa pilahan para doon naman sa boat ride. So sila na rin ang pipila para sa akin. Ganon ka-simple. Ayun, narinig niyo ang anak ko, pipila pa daw. Hindi na. Ayun, ito na tayo sa tourist entrance. Andyan na si mother. Ay, nako ni mami. Tourist. We are now here. The Boracay entrance. Tourist. O, diba? Mga turista talaga. Hindi alam mo mga pinaggagawa. Buti na lang. Mayroon nag-asikaso sa amin. Ayan, umupo na lang kami. Diba? O, tapos ito na. Binigay na yung ating mga badges and all. Punta na tayo sa ferry boat.
Saan, anak?
So pagkababa natin sa ferry boat, may sumaglubong agad na sasakyan natin, papunta naman tayo sa hotel.
Anong masasabi ninyo? Mga first time.
Ganito pala ang Boracay. Talaga Boracay dito, Brad. Talaga Boracay dito.
Dito na.
Sir,
Ah,
napakaganda.
ay maraming chicks. Anong chicks? Yung chicken?
Ladyboy.
Ay, lady
Oh,
boy.
lady.
Daming
Si
ladyboy.
kuya
Talaga.
Daming ladyboy dito.
Marami ng ladyboy dito. Nagkalat na.
Oh, lagay mo sako kung mga 30 kasako. Kulang pa.
Hindi mo na kailangan pumunta ng Thailand, no? Hindi na. Saka sa Waikiki Beach.
So salamat kay kuya. Ayan po ang number niya if you like to contact. Nandito na po tayo ngayon sa hotel at meron silang welcome drinks. So maya-maya ang mga video para sa hotel. Pumunta muna kami sa lunch at ito ang susunod na vlog. Just look forward to it.
Puro mukha nyo ang nakikita ko. Wala akong mukha.
I will see you on my next episode. So thank you for watching. See you soon.